Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Signal's privacy features. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Signal application. I hope you've already installed it into your device and already logged in as well. Now tap on your profile icon and click on settings. Now once you've done that, scroll all the way down until you see privacy, and now these are a couple of the features that you can go ahead and use right away. So there's also phone number, who can see my number, who can find me by my number. You can select those. There are also other very important things such as clicking on advanced, and now you can turn on your proxy feature, and you can simply enter a proxy address which will just change your proxy, and then simply go ahead and avoid people seeing your IP address. You can also always relay calls right over here, which is going to go ahead and reduce the call quality, but it will go ahead and avoid revealing your IP. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next